For the second award, I would like to ask Dr. David Ryan of Hematology Oncology to come up and read the nominations for our second recipient.
Thanks, Tim. Thanks, everybody. It is my great pleasure to be asked to read from the nominations for this very accomplished and terrific physician. I'll start with this one. In this era of medicine in which organizations are getting more complex and physician burnout rate is increasing, and when work-life balance is getting more and more difficult to manage, he has been a rock, navigating junior faculty, medical oncology fellows, and radiation oncology residents through the nuances of surviving academic medicine with your emotional and social well-being intact, unquote. This nominator shared a moving patient story about how this recipient coordinated care for a patient across the country. Over the course of several weeks, the patient had undergone multiple procedures and evaluation in his home state, but they were unable to identify a specific diagnosis and could not achieve satisfactory improvement in his liver tests. This physician, our physician, was able to rapidly arrange transfer to MGH. He quickly established referral lines, the kind that you just saw, to all the referral subspecialties, to interventional endoscopy, medical oncology, and pancreas surgery. Within 4 weeks of arrival, the patient had successful biliary decompression, an improvement of his tests, a diagnosis of cholangiocarcinoma, and underwent a Whipple resection. The patient has done well and returned home. Another physician colleague wrote, the number of radiation oncology residents, medical oncology fellows, junior medical oncology staff, and even more senior staff who turn to him for advice on research or clinical cases is just mind-boggling. He is constantly working to provide and promote research opportunities within the division, sharing co-authorship opportunities widely. And most importantly, he listens and supports junior staff at vulnerable periods in their career to calm waters in rough seas. A longtime colleague was also inspired to write about the recipient, quote, in nearly 30 years of working with specialists in the care of cancer at 3 pretty good institutions, he is one of the most enthusiastic, hardworking, patient-centric, talented individuals I have ever had the opportunity to work with. Now, on a personal note, I've been working alongside this outstanding physician for 10 years. His love of the craft of medicine shines through on a daily basis. And as we saw in the video, there is no joy without love. And the love of medicine shines through with this person. He is the heart and soul of the Gastrointestinal Cancer Center, bringing joy to both patients and physicians alike. His pursuit of excellence on behalf of his patients in the face of some of the most challenging cancers and medical diagnoses that we face, pancreatic cancer, liver cancer, GE cancer, rectal cancer. And finally, probably most importantly, his generosity to his clinical community, to his research community, to his patients, and to the MGH is inspirational. I can think of no finer physician in this wonderful tradition of the Massachusetts General Hospital and exemplified by Brian McGovern and these eponymous awards. I'm thrilled to announce that Dr. Ted Hong is a 2017 recipient of the McGovern Award for Clinical Services and other services.
Thank you. Thanks.